everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ayesha Loves and Makeup. Today we're switching it up a little bit and I'm back with another haul for you guys. We know fall is approaching and as I've said in my last couple of videos, it's my favorite season because I am a fall baby. My birthday's in September, so I start way ahead of the game and I get lots of fall and Halloween decor for the season coming up because it will be fall next month. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. But if you guys want to know what I got from Home Goods, I got so much amazing stuff. Good deals. If you guys want to know what I bought, then keep on watching. I got a lot of stuff. It's all over the place. Here, and here. So grab a snack, grab a drink, grab something, and enjoy my haul video. But as always, before I get into the haul, I always just welcome myself to anyone new to my channel. So welcome. My name is Ayesha. My channel is mostly a makeup subscription unboxing channel because I love makeup. But I mean, I'm a girly girl and I love shopping. Who doesn't love shopping? I'm always shopping, so I do lots of, shopping hauls on the channel as well. So if you like makeup and shopping, then I would say subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. So some of the stuff is like full themed and some of the stuff is like a little punky because I love like skulls and stuff like that. So you'll see it's like a mix of everything, but like I'm not like a hardcore like grungy Halloween type of a girl. I mean, my nickname was Barbie, so it's not going to be anything too gothic and gory, but I still love like the cute side of Halloween and stuff like that, the cutesy side. So yeah, enough explaining. I'm just gonna get into the video. So the first thing I got, I thought was really cute. Remember I told you I love skulls. I'm actually kind of matching today with my mittens here. It's cute because you got like the black skulls, and then this is like white with the black skulls. I thought this was very cute. It was originally $11. I got it on sale for $7.99, and I thought this was really cute to give a little edge to my kitchen. So that's the first purchase I did. And then the next thing I got, how cute are these guys? So most of, I think, this haul, there's a little bit of Halloween, but it's mostly like Halloween / fall aesthetics. Like, so this is going to be like more the fall aesthetics. Guys, who doesn't love fall? Can we just take a second to appreciate fall for a second? Like, I'm not just saying this because I'm a fall baby, but like fall, you can wear sweaters and hot chocolate and pumpkin picking and apple picking and cozy sweaters and caramel apples, like apple pie, like all of those things remind me of fall. Like, who does not like the fall? So I'm sure there's gonna be people who don't like it, but like, I love the fall. All right, back to the video. So these were really cute. I figured I'd keep one in my bathroom and one in the kitchen. They were originally $7 and I got it on sale for $4.99. These are so cute. Look at that, it's so sparkly. So you see, like, my aesthetic is still like girly girl, like blingy, sparkly, even though it's like fall-y / Halloween, but it still has like kind of like a girly twist to it. So I can't wait to use these. All right, so the next thing I got is, I love candy corn. And they're actually like hard to find when it's not around like Halloween season. Like, I don't know how some people could just eat like a whole handful of them. I think they're too sweet for me just to like eat a whole bunch of them. But like, I'll eat like one or two and like that's enough for me. But this is actually one of like my favorite candies. Like, no one really knows that because like they don't really sell this candy year round. But like whenever it gets close to October, I always buy some. And this will last me like forever because like I literally eat like one or two. Like I can't be like, you know, like, yeah, I just eat like one or two and that's it. But I love this. I think I could just put this on like my countertop. This is what it looks like. Sweet Shop Hey Pumpkin Hello Halloween Candy Mix. And it was $4.99, originally $7. So I thought this would be really cute. The next thing I got is, I'll show you guys this. I saw that like they had it kind of like on the steps, like in the picture they have it like in front of the steps of somebody's house. But I think I may have this like inside the house. It says welcome friends. And then it has like a little like candle inside, not a real candle, but like you could put batteries in it and it'll light up. So I thought this was really cute to keep in the house. I think I'm probably going to keep it like in my living room. I thought this was really, really, really cute. It was originally $18. I got it on sale for $12.99. So this was really cute. See, it has a slight Halloween theme, but it's not like hardcore, like more of a softer aesthetic to it. But mostly just going for like the fall vibes because I love fall. Speaking of that, before I forget, how cute is this picture frame that I bought for I'm going to put this in my hallway. It says, welcome fall. Can you guys see? It's really big. Takes up the whole screen, but it says, welcome fall. I love that. Like, I always can't wait till fall start. Like, can you see like my face glows up when I talk about fall? Like, I just love fall. How much was this? Where's the price on this here? It was originally $35. Wow, I got it on sale for $24.99. But welcome fall. Can't wait for fall to get here. So I got that one, and I actually bought a couple of other ones. I have two more here that I bought. I bought Pumpkin Kisses. Oh, I just kicked down the tin. Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. So I got that. Actually, my whole outfit is kind of like fall aesthetic. I feel like I should be going like on a farm somewhere right now. But Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes loves this. And then I got, this is Thankful, Grateful, Blessed. Hold on. Thankful, Grateful, Blessed. And I hope you guys can see that one too. Those were the two that I bought. This would have been a cute thumbnail. Maybe I should have did my thumbnail like this. Nah. Alrighty, so the next thing I got was, I saw these cute little like jack-o'-lanterns. They're like stuffed with like, I forgot what you use. I remember like in school back in the day, like I forgot what class it was called, but we made like a homemade pillow. And it has like that little like stuffing in it. I forgot what it's called. But how cute is this, guys? So I bought one with a jack-o'-lantern face on it. This was $18. Originally, I got it on sale for $12.99. I got that one, and then I got two big ones that look like so. How cute. And it was originally $18. I got them on sale for $12.99. How cute. My house is going to be so adorable. That's how you know, like, you're grown up now. Now the things that used to excite me don't excite me anymore. Now it's like home stuff excites me. Like getting like decor for my house excites me. Like, who am I? Who am I? But nevertheless, how cute is this? Let's talk about how stinking cute is this pillow. I think I put this like in the middle of my couches. It says Happy Halloween. And it's so cute. It was originally $15. I got it on sale for $7.99. This is stinking adorable. Like, this is adorable. Like, who am I? It's just plain on the back, but like loves this. So I got that. Then this was really cute. It's like a little ghost. And then I was in HomeSense. I'm going to do my HomeSense haul after this video. And I found the jack-o'-lantern one to this. So if you want to see what that one looks like, stay tuned for my next HomeSense video. Because they have this same thing, but in a jack-o'-lantern, which I found. Which a lot of stuff that I saw in HomeGoods, they were actually in HomeSense. But it's the same, technically same company, so I guess that's why. But I'll show you that one in the next video. But it actually lights up. There's no batteries in here, but it don't light up. So I thought that was really cute. I think I'm going to put this in my bedroom. This is really cute. And it was originally $10. I got it on sale for $5.99. Very cute, very cute. I'm here for it. I am here for it. Okay, then I got this really cool pumpkin that I was gonna put like in my living room. It's glass. And then it does light up because it has like the battery thing on the bottom. It was originally $20. I got it on sale for $14.99. I figure I could put this maybe like on the table, like somewhere. But it's just very cool, like decor piece for fall. So super excited for that. Another thing I like about fall is fall scents. Like I love the smell of like pumpkin pie, pumpkins, like apples, apple cider. So I always get like fall scents for the fall. So this one is called Harvest Pumpkin and Spice. Oh my god, it smells so good. I always wonder, like, why do I love like all of these fall scents? Like it just never like, it just recently like clicked. I'm like, oh duh, like I'm a fall baby. Like I do love Christmas. Christmas is also like one of my favorite seasons too. But like fall is like neck and neck with it. So look how cute the decor on this is. Like look, well decor wouldn't be the word. Look how cute the paintings is on this. So pretty. It's like little pumpkins on it. And it says Harvest Pumpkin Spice Scented Candle. And it smells just like pumpkins. And then this was cute. This is Pumpkin Apple Crisp. So it smells like pumpkins and apples mixed together. Smells delicious. I really wish that like you guys could smell this because it smells amazing. Look at the top. It has pumpkins on it. Very cute. I'm here for it. Very cute. Very cute. Yeah, and that was it for my home goods haul. What did you guys think of my home goods haul? Like, I think this was like my favorite thing that I bought. Then, like, I can't wait to eat this. I want to eat it now, but I'm like, let me behave myself. Like, I think these two are like my favorite two things that I got. I can't wait to put up like my picture frames. Like I'm ready to put up my fall stuff. I mean, I know it's only August, but September's right around the corner. Before you know it, it'll be fall. I know you guys don't want to hear that, but like I'm super excited for fall. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys started your fall/Halloween season shopping for your decor for your home. Let me know what you guys got. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next two videos because like I said, right after this I'm gonna shoot my HomeSense video where I got a lot of cool stuff for like Halloween, and then after that I'm gonna shoot my Bath and Body Works haul. I got some more fall scents. If you guys are curious to see, I just did a Bath and Body Works haul where it's like Halloween themed. They had really cool stuff for Halloween this year for Bath and Body Works, so I'll link that down below if you guys want to take a look at that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked my video, quickly, if you could give me a thumbs up, I really appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!